Hey everyone, this is Pinto, it's Aiden Pinto. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll talk about OHIP or Health Card in Ontario. Let's talk about how to apply it, what is the criteria, who can apply it, and the process. Okay, so this video is mainly for the students who have just recently graduated, who got their work permit, they don't have insurance, or people who are gonna come here with their peer and they need a health card. So what is OHIP? OHIP stands for Ontario Health Insurance Plan. So it's a basic health insurance plan that Government of Ontario gives to the people who are residing in Ontario. So if you are injured, if sick, and show that health card and get the treatment without paying anything. So does it mean that OHIP is free? Is healthcare in Canada free? Technically, you don't have to pay anything when you go see a doctor, visit a doctor, or go for a checkup. If you have a OHIP, but all the money we pay is from our taxes. So when the taxes are collected, a part of it is contributed towards OHIP. So if you have a OHIP, what is covered? So if you want to visit a doctor, you feel like you're sick and you to see a doctor, that will be covered under OHIP. Treatment to injuries and illness. So if you met with an accident unfortunately and it's an emergency, it will be taken care. So things like diagnostic services, hospital care will be covered under OHIP. What is not covered under OHIP? Prescription drugs for people 25 and above that, dental care, eye care or eyeglasses if you need it, then it's not covered under OHIP. Or services that are not medically necessary. So like if you want to do a surgery for beauty and stuff, it won't be covered under OHIP. Where can you go and apply OHIP? So basically, if you want to apply OHIP, you need to have a work permit. So from talking point of view of student, you need to get your work permit, that is physically the physical document. Go to the nearest Service Ontario to your house where you are residing. So once you enter Service Ontario, they basically, if you say like I need to apply for OHIP, they will ask you, is it a closed work permit or an open work permit? So basically, if you're a student, it will be open work permit. So once you say open work permit, they will give you an application, and that application will have all the details that says like you need to have a full-time job employment. It should mention what kind of job it is, and the position should be at least for 6 months. So this letter you have to give it to your employer, and the employer has to give their official letterhead that this person works here, has started his work from this month of this date of this year, and is working under this position and will be continuing working for at least 6 months as a full-time employee. So along with that letter, they'll also ask you to get some documents. Basically, they'll give you a chart which says what kind of documents you need to get. So if I'm talking from a student point of view, you need to get your work permit. That's like an official document. Physical copy is required. None of the photocopies will work, so you need the original document. Second thing is your passport that says your identity. Third thing is your residence address. It should be the current actual address, so you can show your driving license. So suppose if you have a driving license and the address is your old address, that won't work. So after getting all these documents, your identity, your residence, your work permit, and also the letterhead from your employer, you have to go to the Service Ontario and fill the application form. So in the application form, basically they'll ask when did you come and land in Ontario, when did you leave your country, and your current address and all those details. So once it's filled, it will literally take like 10 or 15 minutes max. You'll get a temporary OHIP card with your number. It's basically like a sheet. When you apply for a driving license, you'll get a temporary sheet similar like that, but it's a little bit bigger sheet. So until you get your physical actual card, you'll use that sheet as your OHIP card. So your OHIP health card will be valid until you have your work permit, the expiry date. So suppose if I get it on January 10th of this year, I'll have it. If it's for 3 years work permit, then it will be there till 2026 January 10th. So it won't be expired until then. So again, this is based on my research and knowledge. So please do your own research and basically go to the Service Ontario and apply it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.